Well, look at that. It's a Lightsburn trailer. Yep, the coupler is branded Lightburn.
Yeah, it hasn't got any, well, it didn't have any badges on.
You've repainted the brackets and the suspension.
I just thought I'd paint it all, really. It's got the original light. Take it that is the original light, I think. As far as I know, it's all the original wood and everything. I can't see anything that's been replaced over the years.
It's got that famous lightning decal.
Yeah, I was tempted to try and get a little brush in there and paint it. Well, I think it should be red, I think, by the looks of it. Shall I have that? I'll see if I can slot that on. I'm just curious. I'll take the other one off in anticipation.
Let's do
oh, it's a 3.5 on that. Good start.
Fit.
Hold on, just
Let me.
getting old.
Bingo! It fits!
Oh, it does. Yeah, I couldn't believe it when I tried to drop it onto this. And, yeah, nothing happened.
Now, ideally you should put some red tape on that part to remind people that it's a 1 inch and 7/8.
Oh, right here. Well, so I'm just going to clamp that up. Oh, it's got hot. Oh, mate, it says it on the top.
And I think you should grease the toe ball too for lubrication. With oil, actually. Not grease, because you don't want it to become a grinding paste.
Oh, really? Oh, I've always thought you'd use grease. But never,
Okay.
Yeah, the chain there, I've sort of really just mucked about to get on because I couldn't think how. So someone was telling me about this spring is the bit that locks it up or something.
Yeah, it sure does.
So I'll take it. Oh, righty-ho.
There you go.
And then, yeah, because that was all locked up solid as. And that must be pulling it down, I guess, or something?
Yep, this is the ball clamp.
Yeah. Hey, well done. Yeah, it was that bit then. I didn't. I take. That must. Is that slot into one of those little clips there?
Yep, it sure does. You probably need to.
I'll go back one off.
Yep.
Ah, righty ho. Yeah. Yeah,
to prevent it rotating.
Yeah. Clever, clever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think you probably need to grease the pin.
As well, yeah.
Or maybe replace the spring even.
Oh, it seemed to have plenty of life in it, the spring. Yeah, this is how I bought it, so every time I put a trailer on, this takes me bumper to the smithereens.
Look at that.
I even done it all underneath as well. Sort of painted it underneath and then so we go to town on it. So have you found many of them around?
Nope.
No.
It is said that only 800 of those were made, which nowadays makes them rarer than the phoenix feather.
Oh, yeah, I think you've written that as an next down your piece, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so to me, I've other than getting tyres, I've done my job. If I got a nice old classic car, then I think it would be the dream.
The timber is made from Tasmanian oak.
Yeah. Have you got one yourself? Or...
No, I haven't, but I'm planning on getting one.
Oh, I thought you'd have had, you know, the other ones that you found.
Mm-hmm. A lightweight axle.
Yeah, it sure is, isn't it? There's not a lot of it.
Tubular drawbar. No backlash on that wheel, actually just a little bit.
Oh, yeah, there's a wee bit on yeah, that one, really nice and free. Perpetual motion.
Sort of.
Yeah, sort of.
You need a valve cap, which you can buy.
Yeah. I was just finding this was the easiest way rather than put a screwdriver or anything in it.
I hope you've got any extra split pins of the same size.
No.
I think you should get some more. There you go.
That's the strike of red in it.
The oil seal.
Yeah. Oh, right, so that's got to go. There's a washer on the inside as well. I would say these are the spacers to take any play out, wouldn't they?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. And you've got a rubber seal there as well.